Hello and welcome to another video. This time I've got another review for you, this time of a raincoat I've been using for about 2 years now, just over 2 years, which is the Kiwi Expert long raincoat. This is one that not a lot of people know about because it's part of their workwear range. So it's designed to be out in the field. And I found it a remarkably rugged and decent piece of kit for a relatively tight budget. So I think I paid somewhere in the region of £50 for this a couple of years back, and it's served me pretty well since. It's been through brambles, I've carried logs on my shoulder more times than I can think of. It's stood up to all sorts of seasons. Has become kind of my main go-to winter jacket, just because I want a little bit of warmth, and chances are in winter the weather's going to be pretty bad, so I may as well have something that's waterproof. So in terms of features, this comes with a great number of pockets. You have two at the top, two chest pockets. Now I will say on these pockets the opening is a little bit awkward because the opening goes in towards the zip, but the pocket is away from the zip, so you kind of have to wrap your hand in and around to get anything. Presumably that makes it waterproof, but really I'd just like to see the opening on the other side. That side. Then you've got two pockets on each side. You've got a really large bellows pocket. I mean, I could fit a whole load of gloves and hats and everything in there. And you've also got a zipped hand warmer pocket down the side. In addition to those 6 pockets, there is also a small safety pocket just on the inside of the jacket there. So in terms of the hood, there is a small amount of adjustment at the back. So there's a little Velcro tab that you can pull up or down just to bring the hood either further forward or further back. Now there's not very much adjustment there, not as much as you'd get on a pull cord. There's a little bit of a peak. It's stiffened slightly with, I think, something like a plastic trim in there. Not the greatest, but it does keep the rain out of your eyes. Cords about the same. Drawstrings for the side, about the same as you'd find on any other jacket. It does the job. It gets things done. So, going down, you also have 2 draw cords on the inside of the jacket. So you have one at the top, one kind of halfway, and one at the bottom. So this allows you to cinch in the jacket pretty close to yourself around the waist. You still have freedom of movement for your legs, or cinch it right down at the bottom, just keep all of that warm air trapped inside. There are actually 2 zippers on the inside of this, so you can zip one of their compatible interactive jackets onto the side, inside, like a fleece or an insulated jacket. You can zip it in and make this a really decent winter coat. Going down the sleeves is your standard Velcro wrist closures. They get it nice and tight holds well. But one of the best features of this jacket and why I picked it, I needed something that was heavy duty for bushcraft. I've got some really nice Gore-Tex jackets which I take out on the hills. I've got to use them when they're lashing down with rain, everything else. But I wanted something that was durable. Now the outside of this fabric is a twill polyester. So the fibers have been roughened and kind of crisscrossed in a pattern that makes it very durable. It actually feels quite rough to the touch. And this has stood up remarkably well. As I said, I can barely even tell that I've bumped this past trees or brambles, anything else. It's just really decent. So if you're looking for a halfway decent budget waterproof for bushcraft or for working out in the woods, Kiwi Expert Long is a great jacket for the price. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you give me a like, subscribe, that would be fantastic. Otherwise, I will see you next time.